Hi guys, and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom Kitchen. Today we are doing it the local Ghanaian way with this taro and garden eggs peanut butter dip, otherwise known in Twi as Brobe and Nyaadoa or Ntrowa Abomu. So stay with me. In my saucepan, I have my taro, garden eggs, and some eggs. I've washed them very well. I'm going to add some water and salt and allow to cook. You can cook them separately, okay? But I didn't want to go through that stress. And here in my bowl, I have some tomatoes, pepper, and onions. I'll leave it in my oven for a few minutes to have some char on it, which is very optional. You can do it on your stove top before I go ahead to grind it. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi. You're so welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Whatever you do, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share this video once you're done watching. Let me also use this opportunity to draw attention to the fact that I am on other social media platforms, okay? Find me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. The links to all my socials are in the description box, so please go ahead and check it out and follow me there as well. So I added some salt earlier and I'm going in with my peanut butter or granite paste and cooked garden eggs. I'm going to grind this till it's very smooth. Some people like it a bit chunky or not perfectly smooth, but it's your choice, okay? So once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and sort of like neaten my dip or aboom small in my asanka. And then I'll go ahead and heat up some palm oil, add some few slices of onions. This is very optional, but it brings some sweetness, like, deliciousness to the dip, okay? Once that is fried a bit, I'm going to go ahead and add in my smoked mackerel, or in Ghana, we call it salmon, okay? You don't have to do this, but this was my own way of warming the fish up a bit. So once that fries for about 3 minutes, I'll go ahead and pour it onto my aboom or dip, okay? So we had this meal around 5 p.m. and it was so good. We really enjoyed it because it had been a while since we had it. So please hit your market, your local market, find some taro, make you some of this African deliciousness, and then come back and thank me later. You can omit the palm oil if you do not like it or use any other oil of your choice, okay? And just like that, our meal is ready to be enjoyed. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share once you're done watching. And until I see you again in another recipe, please don't forget to keep blooming.